Popular brands of PPF films available in India. When it comes to preserving the beauty and integrity of your car's paint protection films, PPF, are an essential investment. These films offer a shield against scratches, chips, and other forms of damage, ensuring that your vehicle retains its pristine appearance for years to come. In India, several renowned brands offer high-quality PPF films, each known for its durability, clarity, and protective properties. Let's explore some of the popular brands you should consider when safeguarding your car's paint. 3M Scotchguard. 3M is a globally recognized leader in innovation, and its Scotchguard series of PPF films are highly regarded in the automotive industry. Known for their exceptional clarity and self-healing capabilities, 3M Scotchguard films provide superior protection against rock chips, scratches, and environmental damage. They are available in various finishes, including glossy and matte, catering to different aesthetic preferences. 2. Expel Ultimate Plus. Expel is another prominent name in the realm of PPF films, and its Ultimate Plus series is renowned for its advanced protection and durability. Featuring a high gloss finish and excellent clarity, Expel Ultimate Plus films offer resistance against stains, yellowing, and harsh weather conditions. Moreover, they come with self-healing properties, ensuring that minor scratches vanish over time, leaving your car looking flawless. Suntech PPF Ultra. Suntech is a trusted brand known for its innovative automotive solutions, and its PPF Ultra series stands out for its exceptional performance and longevity. Engineered with advanced technology, Suntech PPF Ultra films provide superior protection against stone chips, bug splatters, and UV radiation. They are available in various thicknesses to suit different protection needs and are backed by a warranty for added peace of mind. Avery Dennison Supreme Protection. Avery Dennison is a leading manufacturer of vinyl and adhesive solutions, and its Supreme Protection series of PPF films deliver unmatched durability and clarity. Engineered with cutting-edge materials, Avery Dennison Supreme Protection films offer resistance against scratches, swirl marks, and chemical stains, ensuring that your car's paint remains pristine even in harsh driving conditions. STEC Dyno Shield. STEC is known for its innovative automotive coatings, and its Dyno Shield series of PPF films are highly regarded for their robust protection and optical clarity. Designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving, STEC Dyno Shield films offer resistance against abrasions, bird droppings, and road debris, keeping your car looking showroom new for years to come. In conclusion, protecting your car with a high-quality PPF film is an investment that pays dividends in the long run. With the availability of top-notch brands like 3M Scotchguard, Expel Ultimate Plus, Suntech PPF Ultra, Avery Dennison Supreme Protection, and STEC Dyno Shield in India, car owners have access to a wide range of options to safeguard their vehicles. Whether you prioritize self-healing capabilities, clarity, or durability, there's a PPF film that meets your specific needs, ensuring that your car retains its beauty and value for years to come.